I tried using the OnePlus Pad 3 as my only computer and the result was not what I expected. For some of you, this can definitely replace your laptop, but for others, it's a huge mistake. For the past few days, I've been using the OnePlus Pad 3 as my main device. No laptop, just this. And here's exactly what happened. Let's get this out of the way. The performance is not the issue. This has a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip with 12 gigabytes of RAM, and everything is fast. The apps open instantly. Multitasking is very smooth. This is powerful enough to replace a laptop, but that's not the problem. I was actually really impressed here. For emails, browsing, basic work, this works really well. This is nearly the closest that Android tablets have gotten to feeling productive. But this is where everything starts to fall apart. Fortunately, the apps aren't optimized for tablets, and some feel stretched. Some don't fully support multitasking either. And this software limitation really impacts this tablet. When you open apps, you get wasted screen space, you get a clunky experience, and overall everything just feels less polished than a laptop. You have a huge display, but not every app knows how to use it. Unfortunately, this is the biggest reality check. For quick tasks, it's fine. But when you actually need to get work done, you feel the limitations. This feels like a tablet trying to act like a laptop. And this matters more than people think. The keyboard is decent, but not amazing. The trackpad is average, and it's just not as refined as a laptop. If you're trying to replace your laptop with this, you will do a lot of typing, so you're going to notice this. But here's the thing, if you mostly browse, you watch content, you do light tasks, for casual use, this can absolutely replace a laptop. It's perfect for casual use. But if you're doing real work, unfortunately, this just doesn't cut it. If you're video editing like me, you're heavy multitasking, you have professional workflows, this is where you're really gonna miss a real computer immediately. So can the OnePlus Pad 3 replace your laptop? For some people, yes, absolutely. For others, not completely. It's powerful enough, but the software and app ecosystem are what still hold it back. Let me know in the comments, could you replace your laptop with this? Personally, I cannot, but if you're just a casual user, then this will be amazing for you.